guys, what's up? It's Sam Sims. And I know I usually don't post on Wednesdays, but we're doing this so we can get the 30-day sim challenge out of the way. Me and my sister calculated, and the 30-day sim challenge would be 2 years fully if we did one once a month. So we're gonna try and do one once a week, and also be posting like legacy challenge, build challenges, and even cash challenges. We might even go into another challenge, but that's on a later video. So we're just gonna have fun with this. Today we are building I'm gonna be building my uncle's house in Sims, both infinite money. I went for the most expensive stuff and also some rustic. So let's get into it. Hey guys, we're starting off with the house. It's a 3-bedroom with 2 baths, but 1 bedroom is turned into an office. Let's get into it. Hey guys, going over the layout of the house. It's obviously a little bit different than the original, if any of y'all were questioning. Hey guys, I'll tell you whenever we're in a new room. Right now we're in the dining room, which was mainly red, black, gothic, with a little bit of rustic. It was very main to red and black and gothic style, so that's what that was about. Now that we're in the kitchen, it's going to be chic, brown, rustic, kind of mixed together. I know it's different from the gothic, but it was a turn from that, and it really brought out the house more. Now that we're in the living room, we're going to take another twist from all those two different rooms, and we're going to go into white glamour, which is basically a whole bunch of white thrown into one room. It took forever to do, but it looks pretty. Real pretty. And all these rooms together just ties in the house pretty well. So I forgot to mention in the last voiceover, we also did the hallway technically in that one too. But this one we go into the laundry room, which was basically rustic, and we added a lot of stuff for pets because um my uncle has, I want to say, 4 cats that actually last time I was over didn't really like me. So yeah, cats don't like me. Fun fact. So for my uncle's office, which is his YouTube office tour, he runs his whole YouTube in. Check out his channel, link below. We basically went for all black. For I don't know why, it was like gothic. It tied in with the dining room. It looked really pretty. Like I said, all these rooms tie in together. Here you go. Now that we're in the spare room, which wasn't added very many things to because it was rustic and we didn't know what to add, so we added a dresser, 2 dressers, a bed, and I think a rug. And of course a window, as you can see. But we did do the flooring and walls to it, so now we're on the bathroom that's not connected to the master bedroom. This bathroom, we kind of went for black again because it really tied in the office and the dining room. And we were trying to mix in so many different things that it was fun. forgot that this master bedroom was also supposed to be black chic. It's not gothic, but it's black. And the bathroom, as you saw, it wasn't very gothic, it was more tiled. I just wanted to say that during this voiceover so it made more sense. But this one was a really beautiful master bedroom. For our last room, we have the master bathroom, which all its furniture is from the Swan set in Get Famous. It's really pretty, and I hope it looks pretty in the bathroom. And hope you guys liked it. Hey guys, welcome to the outro. Hope y'all had a good day. Thank you for watching. On my 30-day sim challenge, which I'll be doing on Friday, I'll be doing day 2 on Friday. Day 2 is a couple. Comment down below if you want to see a specific couple. See you all tomorrow in new games.